That's it being lit now. Looks like probably kerosene or something. All the stuff that's dumped as well. Right. Stuff on that bench. Okay, that's like plastic.
Oh, I see now as well. I see now, man. Oh.
You step in a nail?
Yeah.
Shit.
Lift a whole piece of wood up as well.
I just stepped on a nail. Ouch. That's what I got. Get a bit closer. Film it.
Anyone else got petty or?
Hey, hey!
Oh, don't forget.
You've done that asbestos. Oh, yeah. Going up massive now. This is the closest I'll be able to get for a while. This is all I can do. Got fire everywhere. That's gonna get real big, real fast. I'm doing the smart thing and lighting it everywhere though. Oh God, no. More shit done. So much shit. So sweaty and shit, man. Huh? How'd you do what? Stick that on the floor.
What, do you use that?
No.
No?
That's just off the rocket.
No, where do you go? So you just stick that on the floor, yeah?
Yeah, stick that on the floor like that. It shows it in there. That's usually for lighting it, but I wouldn't even. Oh, I just snapped it anyway. Those are good rockets. Where'd you get them from, Ely?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, don't stick it in the floor too much. Let it loose. It'll only go off on the floor. That's what I got. It's raining now. And the video now.